Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fudge brownies at home without an oven. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1/4 cup of milk. Don't forget a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything ready makes the process much more enjoyable and efficient. Now let's get cooking on the stovetop. In a medium saucepan, melt your 1/2 cup of butter over low heat. Once melted, stir in the 1 cup of granulated sugar until it dissolves. Next, whisk in the 1/2 cup of cocoa powder and the 1/4 cup of milk. Continue stirring constantly for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the mixture to thicken slightly. This gentle cooking is key to achieving that fudgy texture. Once your mixture has thickened, remove it from the heat. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt for enhanced flavor. Quickly transfer the warm brownie mixture into an 8 by 8 inch pan lined with parchment paper. Press it down firmly and evenly with a spatula. Now, the hardest part. Place the pan in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or until completely firm. Patience is a virtue for perfect no-bake brownies. After chilling, carefully lift the set brownie slab out of the pan using the parchment paper. Place it on a cutting board. Using a sharp knife, cut the brownies into 16 to 25 even squares, depending on your preferred size. These delicious treats are wonderful on their own, or you can add a scoop of ice cream or a drizzle of chocolate sauce. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.